Alright everyone, got a new thermostart here. I don't know if you can. Should light up and glow. And here we go. Starting to smoke. This wire's pretty thin, so it's starting to burn it over here on the battery. But yeah, so let's put it in the tractor. I'll see y'all out there. Actually, got a new fuel filter. Don't know when the last time it was changed. And I got a new air filter. Yeah, I think I know what year the tractor is because the filter's from March of '94, so I'd say it's a '94 or '95, but it's an S, so I'm not sure when New Holland actually bought the Ford, so I'd say it's right in that time period there. But anyway, let's see you out there. Alright, back at the tractor here. Let's get the thermostat put in, the intake bolted back on. Let's get the air filter in. Let's get the front end on. And I can't put the new fuel filter on because there's something else coming that's right in the way of the fuel filter, so I better just wait. that'll do it for today. I actually got a high torque starter coming. This one is factory is like 2.4 kilowatts. The one I got coming is 4.2, so it's really gonna go wing. And I have to take the fuel filter off to pull that one out, and I figured I might as well change it and wait to change this when I change the starter, which will be in my next video. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.